Honesty versus transparency, what's the difference? I'm not going to waste your time. Honesty, in my own definition, is being given a truthful answer to a question you asked. Transparency is being given information without having to ask any questions. If you like my content, like, comment, share, follow me, okay? I'm also on YouTube. I'm going to give you an example to further break this down in a relationship settings. Let's say you have a partner, be it a male or female, right? In your relationship, your partner cheats for whatever reason. They're dissatisfied or they're just a cheater. Whatever reason they have to cheat, they cheated. That's the point. You suspected them of cheating by virtue of you noticing that they're hiding their phone. There's now a passcode on their phone that you don't know. Whatever the reason for suspecting them of cheating, the point is you now suspect them of cheating. With that doubt in your mind, you decided to ask, did you cheat on me? To your surprise, they said yes. Well, surprise and dismay, they said yes. That's honesty. Transparency now, same scenario. You're in a relationship with someone, they're dissatisfied. They came to you and said, hey dear, I'm not happy in this area of our relationship. Can we fix it? For whatever reason, you didn't act on it, or you tried to act but it wasn't enough. They went out and they cheated. You did not suspect them of cheating. Nothing was different. That same day, following day after they cheated, they came to you and said, hey, I cheated. I'm sorry. The word sorry part not necessary. They just came to you and they gave you the information that, hey, I cheated. That's transparency. Now, my question is to you, which do you prefer? Honesty or transparency? That's just my thoughts. And again, follow.